This is the moment I've been waiting for here. So like I said, a year and a half into this project, and here we are sitting on this couch having this interview. So the project has finally come to a completion, and the moment I've been waiting for, the last check of the contract. So if you would, right there, we'll document this for posterity here.
Thank you very much, Roy.
The first building, 50 by 100, it was just a storage building at that time, put up here out in the middle of a cow pasture, and it was literally a cow pasture. They had to move the livestock out of here to start construction on the first building. Going back, like I said, 1988, the first building, 50 by 100, 5,000 square feet, and I've got a picture here of Dad and I bringing the first trailer load of wings into that building, and we had 3 or 4 wings on a flatbed trailer at that point. We had the whole truck and trailer parked inside that building, and I remember him and I having a conversation of how are we ever going to fill this building. So here we are at over 100,000 square feet on the roof now, 8 different projects later, finishing up this project. I've been told by higher up powers that this is my last project, but don't tell her, maybe we'll do another one later. Result is very outstanding, and we're proud to show it off.